Hello, tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My
Good
name is
morning.
Gurung. I am 32 years old. I am from Nepal, Dhading. I have 4 members in my family.
Okay, Mr. Gurung, do you have a work experience?
Yes, sir. I have 8 years experience as a construction company, also certain carpenter and scaffolder in Dubai and Nepal.
Okay, you can work hard in construction.
Yes, sir.
You can.
I can work hard in a construction, any climate, and
Okay.
inside and outside. No problem, sir. I can.
Can you lift up to 20 kg?
Yes, sir. Easily I can
Can
lift.
you remove and clean the garbage?
Yes.
Can you do the loading and unloading?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any your friends or relatives in Romania?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gurung.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank